I wanted to share with you guys the last step when it comes to getting that license, which is taking the DMV test. While this can be nerve-wracking for all parties involved, it is essential to be prepared for this test, just like you would for any other test. While some mistakes are allowed to join a road test at the DMV, they still have points subtracted from your score whenever you make these mistakes. Listen up carefully. These are the most common mistakes that new drivers make during their driver's test. These are important for you to know so you can make sure you don't lose any points. Let's begin with improper lane changing. One of the most significant ways to lose points is to change lanes improperly. While this seems like a simple step, many of you forget to perform every single step, which is look first, activate the turn signal, check your mirrors, sides and rear, check your blind spot, and then change lanes if it's all clear. Secondly, would be changing lanes in an intersection. This is a huge no and highly dangerous. Third would be not keeping both hands on the wheel. It doesn't matter if you can drive with just the tip of your knee. Always keep both hands on the wheel during your driving test. Number 4 would be confusion at a four-way stop. It can be easy to jump forward or hesitate when it's your turn. But remember, the driver who arrives at the intersection first has the right of way. If you get there at the same time as another driver, whoever is to the right goes first. 5. Forgetting your turn signals. Signals are a basic of driving and therefore a huge part of your exam. Do not forget to use turn signals. Rolling stops. Be sure you know that each time you come to a stop sign, you need to come to a complete stop. It helps to count. So you can try doing 1001, 1002, and 1003 and proceed. You need to also be behind the white stop line. This is very important. Seven, distracted driving. A lot of new drivers will have the radio on during their test. This is also a big no. Even if the volume is on low, you can still lose points for this. Lack of steering control. Make sure you know you must always have both hands on the wheel at all times. This not only gives you better stability and comfort, but is the proper way to have full control over your vehicle, especially in the exam. Driving too slowly. Now be sure that you know how to pay attention to the speed limit signs during your test. You can definitely lose points for going too slow, since slower speeds on a freeway can cause unsafe conditions. Driving too fast for conditions. Now remind yourself that there are times when it's not safe to operate at the speed limit.
If there is rain, snow, or fog, drivers need to reduce the speed. Keep this in mind. Following too closely. Be sure to remind yourself to stay several car lengths behind the traffic in front of you. This way, there is time to react if you need to stop suddenly. Braking too hard. Hard braking is acceptable in emergency situations, but hard braking in any other situation can lead to other safety issues. Not checking mirrors. This is one of the most common mistakes driver license examiners take notice of during a test. Make sure you are always checking the mirrors to make sure you are aware of other vehicles. Even if they aren't changing lanes, you must keep in mind, you need to be alert at all times of what's happening around you. And with that being said, that is all I got for you guys today. I truly hope that this video was indeed helpful for you guys, and if that's the case, please don't forget to drop a thumbs up on this video, leave a comment below with any thoughts or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Best of luck to you.